Australia, from Australia, and he's in South Africa. So me and Wasim Akram at the group on WhatsApp were thinking of a name that could be converted from English name to a Pakistani name. He's known as Tractor, and Colin asked what's the translation of Tractor in Urdu. हम सब अपने Googles खोले और I think the only name of Tractor in Urdu is Tractor. So I'm sure you guys all must have seen the memes yesterday, where everybody, all politicians were kissing Colin. And now Colin has become very famous in Karachi. So I think they're converting a chalk also in his name. Instead of Muka chalk, they'll call it Ingram chalk. Pakistan Business Council has been a pivotal role in the UAE. We have done over the past many years great work for the Pakistanis in the UAE. A lot of people in Dubai have been associated with this council, and I think the Pakistan Business Council is one of the oldest councils in the Middle East, and with a lot of power business people in this council. I would like to thank you guys again for doing this for us tonight. I know it's Pakistan Business Council, and you had the opportunity, you could have had the opportunity to do dinner for all the team for PSL, but you picked Karachi Kings, and I'm really thankful for that. And I would just say one more last thing, that we have got 3 more matches left in the UAE, and a lot of more matches for other teams. I think the Pakistan Business Council should come forth and get the Pakistanis to the stadiums, which is very important. This is pivotal, you know why? Because I don't think, as per the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Honorable Imran Khan has said that next year he's expecting the whole of PSL to be in Pakistan. So a lot of people from Dubai will not be able to have that much fun. They have to fly back to their country to watch the match. So I would say that whatever's left of PSL in the UAE, come forward, support your teams. A full stadium is really enjoyable. I heard Colin say yesterday that, and Ben, who came up and said, imagine this match yesterday would have been played in Karachi with 35,000 fans. It would have been amazing. So please come forward. And Pakistan Business Council has worked so hard for the Pakistanis in UAE, and I would love them to be there at the stadium with their people. And I would like to thank all the sponsors. I've got a huge list of sponsors, but I would like to thank everybody. Most of the sponsors are my friends, my colleagues. So if I sit down and take the name of the sponsors, mashallah, it will take me the whole night. Thank you everybody for being here tonight, and I think I'll cut it short so you guys can mingle with my players, with Karachi Kings, your players, sorry. Thank you so much tonight.
Okay, moving forward, obviously the one message that we have to take from this is that perhaps this is going to be the last PSL happening in Dubai and UAE, and we should all make the most of it. So our support, Salman, is with you, inshallah. We will try to promote as much as possible, filling all those grounds, and let's hope that the remaining, and the weather is also very nice, so let's go and enjoy together, inshallah, the victories of Karachi Kings. Next one on the agenda is, I would like to request Mr. Imran Amin from Artistic Properties to come and say a few words along with you. Mohsin, on behalf of
Assalamu alaikum and good evening to everyone present here. It's an absolute honor to be, participating in an initiative like this by the Pakistan Business Council. We are very honored to be here because, it takes a huge effort to get everyone together under one roof, because everyone has their busy schedules. So, Pakistan Business Council, first of all, on behalf of Artistic Properties, I would like to thank you. And then, we participated in this because we think that it's a great initiative. We see this as, something that can turn into a lot bigger, a lot, more professional, and it can progress a lot. I don't have much to say, so I'm just going to go back to Mr. Colin Ingram. Sir, it was an absolute pleasure to watch you yesterday. I just have one request. I need you to teach me how to play that one shot. That one shot that goes out of the ground. Mr. Salman Iqbal, congratulations on getting back on the winning days, and I hope Karachi this time lifts the cup. For sure. Thank you everyone for being present here, and on behalf of Artistic Properties, have a good night. Thank you.
Next, can I please request Mr. Shamshir Ali Rao of Rao Holdings to come and say a few words.